In front of me is Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. You need to start by going into settings and choosing apps and notifications over here. Then scroll down, click on advanced and select permission manager, app permissions over here. Now tap on one of your device's features like location and select an app. I will go with files. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, files just gained access to this device location. If you were to deny it, click on the same switcher. Then tap on deny anyway in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!